Every strong structure starts with strong soil, but how do engineers check soil density on site? Let's find out on this video. Core cutter method is one of the simplest ways to measure the in-situ density of cohesive soil. The apparatus required for the lab are shown here. So this is the straight edge. So this is the steel dolly that is 25 mm height. This is the core cutter or cylindrical steel tube. So these are the apparatus, and this is a rammer of approximately 900 mm length and 140 mm diameter. The procedure for determination of density of soil at site is, first of all, we need to take the weight of the core cutter, that is WC in gram. Then we need to prepare the level surface and we need to insert this core cutter into the soil using the rammer. So carefully remove the soil sample and level the top surface and measure the weight of core cutter and wet soil, that is WS in gram. Then we can calculate the weight of wet soil. Again, we need to find the volume of the core cutter VC using this formula, and then we can determine the bulk density of the soil by using this formula. Now our objective is to find the dry density, and for the dry density we need to calculate water content using this IS code. First of all, we need to measure the weight of empty container in gram, that is W1. After that, we need to fill the container with soil sample and we need to measure its weight. Now keep the soil sample in oven for 24 hours and take the weight of the dry soil with container, that is W3. Then you can determine the water content of the soil sample using this formula. Note, it is necessary to make number of repeat determination at least 3 and 2 average results, since the dry density of soil varies appreciably from point to point. The number of determinations should be such that additional one would not alter the average significantly. Like, share and subscribe. Blessed being. Thank you for watching.